In this video, we're diving into the world of vegan breakfasts. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just curious about trying something new, get ready for some tasty morning inspiration. Let's kick things off with overnight oats. These are a game changer for busy mornings. Simply mix rolled oats with your favorite non-dairy milk, add chia seeds, and let it all soak overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Voila! Next up is scrambled tofu. Scrambled tofu is the vegan answer to scrambled eggs. Sauté crumbled tofu with veggies like bell peppers, mushrooms, and spinach. Season with turmeric, nutritional yeast, and a pinch of black salt for that eggy flavor. For a colorful and nutrient-packed morning, try smoothie bowls. Blend frozen fruits, think berries, mango, or banana, with spinach or kale, a plant-based protein powder, and a plant-based milk, like almond or soy milk. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, sliced almonds, and fresh berries. And you're good to go. Who says you need eggs for fluffy pancakes? To make some yummy vegan pancakes, you just mix flour, baking powder, a touch of sugar or maple syrup, and almond milk. Cook on a non-stick pan and stack those beauties high. Top with maple syrup and sliced bananas. Chia seeds are magical little things. Mix them with coconut milk or almond milk. Add a dash of vanilla extract and let them gel overnight. In the morning, layer with fresh fruit and toasted coconut, and you have what's known as chia seed pudding. And it's ready to be enjoyed. Avocado toast is a classic breakfast choice and is a vegan-friendly option. Avocado toast is simple, but let's elevate it. Mash avocado with lemon juice, spread it on whole grain toast, and top with sliced radishes, microgreens, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. There you have it, 6 delicious vegan breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Whether you're craving something sweet, savory, or super nutritious, these options have you covered. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite vegan breakfast in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating!